In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the merge queue feature on GitHub. This is a handy tool that helps streamline the process of merging pull requests by batching them together. Whether you're new to GitHub or a seasoned developer looking to optimize your workflow, this feature can save you time and effort. Let's dive right into the details of enabling and configuring the merge queue. First things first, you need to navigate to your repository settings. Starting at the home page of your repository, you'll find the Settings tab located at the top sidebar. Once you click on it, you'll see a new sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, find the Rules section and proceed to click on Rule Sets. This is where you can manage how your pull requests are processed and customize the conditions under which merges are allowed. Now, you have the option to either click on an existing rule set if you have one set up already, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you're in the Rule Set menu, look for the option to Require Merge Queue. This option allows GitHub to automate the merging process by bundling pull requests into larger tests, simplifying the overall workflow. Moving on to configuring the merge queue settings, this is where you can tailor the merge process to better fit the needs of your development team. Once the merge queue is enabled, you'll need to decide on the merge method. Your options include squash, merge commit, or rebase. Consider which works best for your team's codebase, as this choice will be applied uniformly to all pull requests in the queue. Next, consider the maximum group size. This setting dictates how many pull requests can be batched together into a single continuous integration, CI, run. For most teams, starting with a size of 5 is a good baseline. This helps balance efficiency with processing time, ensuring CI isn't overloaded while still gaining the benefits of a merge queue. For the minimum group size and wait time, you should initially set these to 1 and 0 respectively, unless you're a team dealing with more than 20 pull requests daily. In such high volume cases, you may want to adjust these to optimize processing. Finally, you'll want to set the status check timeout. This determines how long the queue will wait for status checks to complete on a pull request before they are marked as failed. The default is 60 minutes, but you can adjust this based on your CI's performance and reliability. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully enabled and configured the merge queue on GitHub. It's a powerful way to maintain code quality while iterating quickly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy coding!